English practice makes perfect.
Common mistakes in English. Part 3. Incorrect. They going to the beach. Correct. They are going to the beach. Incorrect. I enjoy to travel. Correct. I enjoy traveling. Incorrect. I have 2 children. Correct. I have 2 children. Incorrect. I can to drive. Correct. I can drive. Incorrect. The store is open by 10 p.m. today. Correct. The store is open until 10 p.m. today. Incorrect. I did liked the hotel. Correct. I liked the hotel. Incorrect. He sent the informations yesterday. Correct. He sent the information yesterday. Incorrect. Did you used to play soccer? Correct. Did you used to play soccer? Incorrect. She play tennis every weekend. Correct. She plays tennis every weekend. Incorrect. He going to work. Correct. He is going to work. Incorrect. I no believe you. Correct. I don't believe you. Incorrect. I can't go outside because it rains. Correct. I can't go outside because it's raining. Incorrect. I have met her yesterday. Correct. I met her yesterday.
Subscribe.
Incorrect. I should to clean my apartment. Correct. I should clean my apartment. Incorrect. Me and her are siblings. Correct. She and I are siblings. Incorrect. I don't have no money. Correct. I don't have any money. Incorrect. There are less cars on the road today. Correct. There are fewer cars on the road today. Incorrect. Maria said she would arrive home until 3 p.m. Correct. Maria said she would arrive home by 3 p.m. Incorrect. One of the student is late. Correct. One of the students is late. Incorrect. Do you want to sit beside me? Correct. Do you want to sit beside me? Incorrect. Mario is more tall than his brother. Correct. Mario is taller than his brother. Incorrect. Janet really likes her teacher a lot. Correct. Janet really likes her teacher a lot. Incorrect. I'm tired. Correct. I'm tired. Incorrect. I lose my job during the pandemic. Correct. I lost my job during the pandemic.
Subscribe for more English practice. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.